There are a variety of resources that can be used on test day. This video will show how to use the Thesaurus. During testing, you will have access to a thesaurus to use during writing portions of the test. This is what the thesaurus will look like once you have followed these next steps. When you are ready to use the thesaurus, select the Dictionary button located next to the Notes button on the upper right of your screen using your mouse or trackpad. Once selected, you will see a box that gives you the option to either use the dictionary to look up the meaning of a word or the thesaurus in order to find synonyms for a particular word. By selecting the box at the top, you will be able to type in the word for which you are searching, then select the Thesaurus button. You will then be presented with different ways to say the word you typed. If you would like to change the location of the box, you can drag the box to a different part of the screen using your mouse or trackpad. Close the thesaurus by either selecting the X in the upper right corner of the box or by selecting the Dictionary button again. Note that different devices may require different actions in order to make these selections. Thanks for watching!